Alright, this is the 2013 Mustang GT. I've had it for about a year. Like I said, it's red underneath. It's been wrapped, not very well, but it needs to be vacuumed out a little bit. The interior, all there. As you see, there's the red. The wrap is very bad. It's not good at all. As you see, when they did it, they didn't even reinstall the door lock, but keyless entry works and all that, so I've never needed to install that. GT 500 bumper, a couple rock chips in the bottom. Here's underneath. Red, everything's there. Motor sounds pretty healthy. Regular oil changes. Even if it doesn't meet the mileage, if it sits over 6 months, it'll get an oil change. But yeah. So they do that. Let's see if I can find some examples of the poor wrap other than this and that. And then this is pretty bad. That's not good. They did pour, like, you know, it 10 feet away. You can't even tell. But especially on the bumper, you can tell they had trouble getting it to stick and stuff. I was just gonna peel it off, paint the car the same color. Honestly, I do like the color. I just don't like red, so that's why I've never peeled the wrap off yet. But anyway, let's go take it for a drive. All right, this thing is amazing and it drives great too. First gear. For a second. Second. Second, and second to first, third, fourth. Car drives straight, no hands on the wheel. I haven't even touched the brake yet. I wonder if we'll come to a complete... Oh, don't even gotta touch the brake. About it. There's 5th, 6th, chugging along, 5th. Now if you want to downshift to 4th, you gotta go 3rd and then down in the 4th. You can go 4th.